Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So now I will show you how to get these correct numbers in here. So form A, we know that they will go in here. So the velocity they will go to here because form A will go to B. So this one we got about direction number A in here. Later that at location B, they will stop because at this turning point we don't have velocity. However, because the acceleration from this one they go down like this and they push on B, A and C go to number 4. The reason in here because we have the gravity go down. That's why A, C, B they affect about the gravity. So acceleration they will go like this. That's why we have number 4, and number 4. At location D, we know that D will go in here. So they can go to E. However, this is about the flat. That means we don't have acceleration in here. Next, E, they go in here. So that's why we have number 2 for E. And number 6, because we have the gravity, that's why they will push this one go down in this way. Next, F, we know that F, G, H, they go in one circle. F, they will go up so that they can go to G. That's why we have number 1. G, they go to number 7 in here. And H, they go to number 5. They go down. So later that from here we have I, they will go in this way. So that's why we have number 4. About acceleration from F, that is about number 6. This one go in here. This one go in here in one circle. About the last one because we have the gravity, so the acceleration will go down in here because they don't touch about the track in here. So that's why we have this one. Now here is the answer for the second one. We do the same. They go in here. They affect the gravity. Similar for this one and this one in here. And this is the technique how to answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.